Well, I guess I talked about not getting much snow around here so long, and we finally got some. We got to try to clean a little of this up a little bit here. I'm being careful not to hit the wife's car is right behind the tractor. I got that little carry-all thing on there, so I got to be careful. It was a little bit tricky getting this thing started. I had it plugged up. Somehow the battery went low on it. Those hydraulics are really, really slow, cold as it. I think it's like 13 degrees out there. I did this video yesterday. It was pretty close to the evening time, and so but I want to get that cleaned out a little bit. Full tractor does a pretty good job for this, although it's not a real powerhouse. And you got to make ways to keep this stuff away. Now I don't know how many inches of snow we had, maybe 6, 8, something, I don't know, didn't measure. Typically, we don't get this much snow, and that's why I keep telling everybody, well, we don't need a snowblower down here now. Well, not really, we don't really, because it only happens usually once a year. We get once a year. We got a lot, so that's kind of the way that goes. But go and get this thing out here, kind of clean it out a little bit. It's it's kind of unhandy. I got an old Subaru that crawled right out there anyway. That Vallejo and my wife's car still in the carport there, but mine, I went ahead and just plowed right on out of it and everything with it. I put it back up and went back and forth 2-3 times so I could kind of break the snow a little bit. And I can brag on old Subarus quite a bit. I tell you what, they get around pretty good in this stuff. I seen one earlier on today, this day. I was in uptown to see what's going on. The mail hadn't been around for 2 days. They didn't have a mail truck hadn't come in at all. There's a couple of four-wheel drive trucks out roaming around. That was about all I saw out here today. There wasn't much traffic out there. I say this was taken yesterday, and of course my hair comes to heater. I'm gonna go here thing. And anyway, I took a wife down a while ago, and it's the road is pretty snow covered. Got to be careful. Luckily, everybody was driving like they had some sense. So everybody going 40, 45 mile an hour maximum, and some are going slower than around. Ones that are poking out 20 that was holding up traffic, and a lot of people want to get on around, too risky to drive past. All right, well, let's see what happens here later on, because we get anything else more interesting going on here.